What you cooking, Roach?
What ya cooking, Roach?
What's up, guys, and welcome to my channel, What You Cooking, Roach. Alright, and for those that are new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate the love, so please consider subscribing. And oh yeah, leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And word up to me, give me that thumbs up, you dig? And click that reminder bell so you don't miss out on any of my other videos. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a burrito bowl soup. Now, this is a recipe that I found in a Mexican book, cookbook that I have, and it's an old cookbook, but this recipe was in it, and it didn't include chicken. It just had chicken broth, but I'm going to add in chicken, and I made my own broth. All right, so some of the ingredients that we're going to be using here is some green chilies that I'm going to have to chop up, and I got some garlic cubes that I'm using because I don't have any fresh garlic at the time. And we got a little black pepper, we got some cumin, the Recaito sauce, and cumin. And we're going to be adding in these tomatoes, these chopped up tomatoes, and we're going to be using some seasoned black beans and corn. Now you certainly can add in any other vegetables if you like, but I'm going to be adding in this avocado on the top as a garnish with some tortilla chips, and I'm telling you guys, it's going to be yummy. So you already know. Let's get started. All right, guys, so here we go with the chicken broth. I boiled I think I had like 8 chicken thighs, and so I got those boiling, and nice seasoning, salt and pepper, a little garlic, and some onions in there. All right, so now I'm just going to crush up some of these green chilies since I couldn't find any crushed, and we'll get that started. All right, now we got 2 cups of corn. You can add that in there like so, and I'm just going to mix it up. Now I'm going to move over onto these garlic cubes that I have, since I didn't have any garlic cloves. So we're going to add in 2 of those. It's a nice little flavor. I just discovered them in a discount aisle. Thought I'd give it a try. So we're just going to stir that up. Yeah, maybe that's why they was in the discount aisle, because they didn't sell. But it's all good. Now we're going to add in some cumin. Now I'm just eyeballing this. I'll have the ingredients in the description below, okay? So we're going to add in about 2 tablespoons of cumin. You don't want to overpower it, all right? You just kind of want to taste as you go. You know, like I always say, ingredients are just a guideline, all right? So we're going to add in these crushed chilies, like so. And keep in mind, this is an old recipe from in the 80s or so. And then we're going to add in 2-3 tablespoons of pepper, all right? And we got a little salt, and about 2 tablespoons of that. Then we got that Recaito sauce, Recaito, and I would imagine that's kind of like the chilies. But I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons of that. Now this is not in the recipe. I just added it in because nowadays this is a soup base for Spanish dishes. You can use it for stews. It's really good taste, like a tomatillo taste. All right, so we got our crushed tomatoes, and this is about 2 cups here. You can use whatever brand you like. If I can get it open. All right, so we're going to add that in there like so. All right, we're going to give it a nice stir. Add in the rest of those. I don't know why I didn't put them all there in the first place. All right. Now, let's get that chicken added in there. I've shredded it up. I've deboned all of it. Took all the gizzards and the giblets and all that stuff out of there. And gristles. You don't want to be biting no gristle. I don't. All right. So, now, we're going to give it another good stir and see where we're at with the consistency here. Oh, it's looking pretty good, y'all. It's smelling good. Of course, I'm always overdoing it. And made this big old pot. Ain't no There's only 3 of us in this house. But I'm going to try to save some of it. All right. Looking pretty good. All right. Now, still got to get these beans in here, all right? So we got our seasoned black beans. I probably should have used 2 cans because But one is we're gonna start out with the one. I think we'll be fine. That's what the recipe says, and now we're done. An hour later. Look what we got here. Alright, we're gonna stir that up and take a look at it. Alright, looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. I think we're there. Alright, let me give me a bowl. Little Spanish bowls. I like these these bowls. Clay bowls are pretty cute. Alright, so we're just gonna put some in my bowl here. Guys, you know this smells good. Wow. 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 I can't wait. Look at there. Look at there. Alright. Smelling good, y'all. Wish y'all could smell it. Now let me go get them chips and that avocado. Look at that. Got a little lime on that. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? Gosh, it smells so good. Now, you must try this soup, you guys. I'm telling you, you won't be disappointed. Alright? So, let me go ahead and give it a little taste here since I didn't show it off enough, okay? You know you want it. Let's dip that chip in there. Wait a minute. Let me get that lime out of there. That was just for the decoration. Presentation. Well, I'm gonna squeeze some of that on there. You want to definitely do that. All right. Now, when we get started, I'm so excited. I don't know what to do first. So we're just gonna crush that in there. The avocado chip. Let me dip that chip in there real quick. Oh yeah. Yep. This is what I'm talking about. This is pretty good soup, you guys. You have to try this. All right. So I'm gonna dig in here and give this a good old taste, and just want to thank you guys for watching my show. I know it's been a while since I uploaded an episode. Had to take a little break, but I'm back. Please consider subscribing, you guys. Continue watching, and I appreciate the love, y'all. So let me get in here and get grubbing. Bye-bye. See you guys next time. I'm gonna get into this real quick. Yes, yummy. Okay, goodbye, y'all.